What's the formula for profit? So profit is revenue minus cost. You have to have your format. Revenue first, and then you're subtracting cost. You cannot do cost minus revenue. Cost minus revenue will give you negative profit, which you don't want in your life. It means you're losing money. So it has to be revenue minus cost. So for A, it says do the break even. So break even, we know it's revenue equals cost. Our revenue is negative x squared plus 20x. Our cost is 8x plus 35. Anytime you see highest degree square or cubic function or anything bigger than 1 degree, try to bring everything to one side because your goal is to see if you can factor anything. So you can subtract 8x and subtract 35 minus 8x minus 8x minus 35 minus 35. So you end up getting negative x squared plus 12x minus 35 equals 0. And this is actually profit function. You did revenue minus cost. This is what you did here. But now to solve for x, you don't like negative x squared, so you can multiply everything by negative 1. So you get positive x squared, negative 12, positive 35 equals 0. That gives us two numbers multiplied to 35 combined to 12 is negative 5, negative 7. And since their product has to be 0, one of them definitely has to be 0. We don't know which one, so we said both of them equal 0. That tells us x is 7 and x is 5. Since we have two solutions, that's why they're asking for the smallest number of items. Which one is smallest, 7 or 5? 5. The answer is 5. In the final exam, if this is a multiple choice question and you see both 7 and 5 and you pick 7, you get wrong because 7 is not the smallest one. You have to pick 5, the smallest one. Profit is revenue minus cost. So to start like this, profit is what? Revenue minus cost. So revenue is negative x squared plus 20x, and you're subtracting 8x and 35. When you subtract your cost, the sign is changed in the cost function. It doesn't have any equals to 0. On the left side, you have p of x. And on the right side, you have your function. So the function they're looking for is negative x squared, positive 12x, negative 35. You cannot give this as a profit function because this is not the profit function. We made it this way so that we can solve for x easily. The actual profit function has a negative in the front. So it's an upside down parabola. But what do you have on the top? It's an upward parabola. So definitely they are wrong. They're not same. Okay. Any question?